Hi everyone. So for today, let's have the new lesson for grade 8. Okay, so this is multiplying the rational algebraic expression and simplifying if possible. Okay, so first thing that you have to do when you're multiplying po yung ating rational algebraic expression is to factor yung numerator and denominator natin. So kaya po yung first lessons is factoring. So, kailangan i-factor muna natin yung ating numerator. So, for example, on number 1, we have 9r cubed minus 54r squared over 9r squared plus 45r times 9r squared plus 9r over 9r cubed minus 54r squared. As you can see here, pareho po yung ating numerator and denominator. Okay, na 9r cubed minus 54r squared. So, it means that will be a common factor. So, kapag may common factor tayo, pwede nyo po siya i-cancel. Okay, you can change that already into 1. Okay, so para pong pag namumultiply din tayo ng ating yung normal fraction using cancellation. For example, you have 2/3 times 1/2. Okay, so since parang 2, pwede nyo i-cancel yan. So, sa ating rational expression po, ganun din. Once that you have the same polynomial on the numerator and denominator, pwede nyo siya i-cancel. Okay, because that will be your common factor. Okay, and then after that, yung 9r squared plus 9r, okay, ito 9r squared plus 9r, pwede nyo siyang i-factor using our GCF. Okay, so that will be 9r. So this will be r plus 1. Okay, and then same as with 9r squared plus 45r, so i-factor nyo din siya. Basta lahat ng ating polynomial, if factorable po, you need to factor it out. So our GCF here will be 9r. So, we got r plus 5. Okay. So, from here, okay, so let's rewrite it. 9r cubed minus 54r squared. Yan. So, since common polynomial po yan, or common factor, you don't need to factor it out. Magpareho. Then, yung denominator, gawin yung 9r, r plus 5. Okay. Doon sa kabila, yung 9r squared plus 9r, gawin yung 9r, r plus 1. Okay, and then after that, you have to cancel out po yung ating common factor. So, yung common factor natin dito, okay, cancel na to. Okay, so para siya may 9r, so you can cancel that out also. Yung natitira, that is the polynomials that you have to multiply. Okay, so we have here r plus 1 over r plus 5. Okay, because we get 1 here. 1 times r plus 1, r plus 1. 1 times r plus 5, it's r plus 5. So, your final answer should be r plus 1 over r plus 5. So, dapat po ay wala tayong common factor on the numerator and denominator. Okay, another one. For example, we have 5r plus 50 over r plus 10 times r minus 2 over 5. So, again, the first step that you have to do is to factor. So, yung 5r plus 50, we have our GCF as 5. So, we got r plus 10. Yung denominator, that is fully factorized na. So, r plus 10 times r minus 2 over 5. Okay, so again, after you factor yung numerator and denominator, cancel nyo lang yung common factor. So we have r plus 10 and r plus 10. We also have 5 and 5. So yung natitira, again, that is the one you have to multiply. Okay, so yung natitira natin dito will be r minus 2. So your answer will be r minus 2 po. Ayan. So, same as again do sa normal fraction, dapat wala tayong common factor sa numerator and denominator. So, dapat po ay lagi naka-simplify. Thank you for listening, guys!